Hi everyone, today we'll learn how to reverse a clip using Filmora. So we have added a video file to the timeline. Let's play it first. We'll see them, they're walking forward. So we're going to reverse the video now. So select the clip and then find this speed option. Click here. Then there you'll see a couple of options. Forget this. You just have to select this reverse. Click here and it will start to reverse the video. Okay, so let's go to the first and let's play it. You'll see that they're walking backwards now, and if you want to split, you can just do that, and the rest you can just keep it normal. And there are also a couple of other features, like here you can select the speed, like if you want to slow down, like if you want to make the reverse more faster or slower, or just a normal. Right now we're just doing normal 1x. So this is how you reverse a clip using Filmora. And if you like the video, please thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks a lot.